Matter Gamer. Hello guys, it's me Matter Gamer in another new video. The person you see in my right, today I'm playing Press the Button with my little brother Arnab. His jumping looks like. Let's start this game. So first of all, collect. I have played already some of the parts. So oh, good luck. So this is right. This is right. Oh yes, man. Thank you, boy. You're the boy. Let's press the button, guys. I have pressed the button. Oh my God! It's a mummy. Oh no! I have to be careful, or the mummy is going to hunt me down. It's the mummy, guys. Oh, guys, my brother is running. We two are on. No, we are only the survivors. Oh no, mommy is on the chase of mine. No, mommy killed me. No. Okay, guys. I have played some game already, so I know about maximum games. So let's play this game freely. I want to record this video because it's good to record these types of things. So it's this brown color. Actually, this is a tough challenge at the end because this color more challenging. Guys, I'm not that much big in age. The last time I made a video was when I was under but next video is going to be more about like other contents like so this is now I have jetpack. So I will reset. So this is also just like so I will play this time fairly because I was just trying to survive that round. Oh no, I thought there was a plan. Wait here, guys, and let's go with this. So much fun to play, and I will also suggest that please support. I didn't have editing in the last video because my editor took too long time to download. Still, I will try to be editing today because yesterday I didn't also have the charge, but today I will try to do my best to do editing. And guys, so please like and subscribe. And that's my brother who has qualified. Still, this game is pretty fun to play. I'm pretty fond of playing this game. Oh, pretty fun. Yes, yes. Don't worry, I still come second. That's pretty good. And looks like my third is going to my little brother. Yes, he has become fourth. He has come fourth. Actually, he was little bit missed, but actually pretty good. This race map is also pretty good. And what about this? I will donate if this video gets 1k subscribers. I will top up minimum 100 Robux and donate it to one of you guys because you guys do so much for me. I like you guys. You guys are amazing. Actually, you guys are so amazing. You guys are so amazing due to your facial habits. You guys are amazing. I like you guys. You guys are good. This channel runs because of you guys. So please. So let's make double people so that why I didn't fall upon him. So he's going to be immune. So this is gonna produce confusion. So this is especially for confusion actually between still everything. The four people So this round should be pretty easy, but we can win this, guys. Looks like. Yes, we have win this. Let's press the button. I have pressed on it. Oh, I have found it. The missing gears. Come here, little brother, come here. There is an gear. Take it, yes. Now fix the button. I have fixed the button. Looks like one of the persons have the gear. Looks like, so who has it? So the button has been repaired. Thank you fully. I am doing this skin because it's pretty fun. Oh, this is going to be another fun problem. Why not? Where's the one? Wait, oh, I wanted a glimpse again. This is so much fun to play. But this is so fun actually. That guy reached. Oh no, I have dumped myself in another great problem. I have dumped myself another great problem. So they are researching, so I am also researching. Looks like we are having some fun. I don't think so. Guys, looks like there's a red ball somewhere. Green wedge. There's a green cone somewhere. Let's find it before it's too late actually. Here it is. So I found it, and there's a bright yellow star also. But looks like I am. Oh, it's a lucky person. Is it lucky or not? What is going to give me? No, it gave me nothing. It's unusual. Oh no, it's laser coming. Oh no, I'm gonna die. This is my end. No, boys, it hurts my butt. So fast. Now I have to use my gun to destroy. So I bought some items. Now about this. Now I wanna destroy this. My suit is so bad at it. I'm so bad at it. Guys, looks like I am in trouble. I have to think something about this. My news. I feel prettily that one of the best YouTubers, I think Noodles. For gaming, I think Noodles is one of the best one, and Think Noodles is the sponsor of the video. I'm giving sponsor to Think Noodle because why not? So Think Noodles is a very popular YouTube channel. Just should you all subscribe to because he's so OP. He has completed many games actually. My favorite ones actually. He is actually multi-gamer. A gamer should be like that, playing all types of games. I like his gaming type, and so he's one of the best players. I also recommend you Techno Gamers. He's also a pretty good Indian YouTuber, and he's actually pretty good at gaming. You guys should be playing in his Discord server. I also joined his Discord server because it's pretty good to have this opportunity to play with Techno sir. I've been watching him since so it's pretty good for me also for all of us. So it's just a great opportunity. These people inspire us like small YouTubers, so I pretty sure says that my mind also, and God says that. And guys, I just recently seen a viral short about small creators, and actually that's true. My phone screen is actually broken and I couldn't do editing, and my mobile is so slow. Guys, there's also some of the reasons that I couldn't do good editing. I'm so poor at this, but I believe myself that one day I will reach the success. Success is my dream, and I hope that one day I can touch success because it's my hope, dream, and everything. I also want to win this time because why not? Why not? Why not? Why not to win this every time? Every time. No, I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Looks like goodbye.